Here I am inside of the Copilot Business Chat or Copilot Chat. I'm accessing it through my Microsoft Teams. Inside of my Copilot Chat, I can prompt meetings, files, emails, people. And today we're going to be focusing on how we can go ahead and prompt specific meetings. If I was looking to prompt a specific meeting, for example, in here, I'll be able to kind of go ahead and leverage this prompt. So the prompt here says, summarize this meeting for me. I'm going to go ahead and use the slash sign. We'll come to that now. And give me key action items, decisions made, and actions I need to take. When we're looking to ground Copilot, we're going to be using the slash sign. The slash allows us to go ahead and leverage the ability for Copilot to focus on a specific document, meeting, or email. Grounding is when we go ahead and focus the tool's attention on a specific information that allows it to be more accurate with the data it gives us. We can ground by using the slash sign, or we can go ahead and ground by going ahead and clicking on the Add Content button over here. The button over here at the bottom, we'll be able to go ahead and click on that and ground. Now, let's go ahead and ground a meeting that occurred. I actually had this meeting in which we posted a job, and I actually wanted to go ahead and leverage Copilot to pull a summary. And what I'm saying here is give me key action items, decisions made, and actions I need to take. Whenever prompting Copilot, remember, you need to be very specific to exactly what you want. And this is why I'm giving it those key specific commands. At the same time, when I give it specific headers, this allows it to, whenever it gives me back the information, it actually puts the information into that categorization specifically to what I want to see. For example, when we get this information over here, I'm going to send this in. Copilot is going to go into that specific meeting and go ahead and review the meeting to ensure that it gives me those key details I need to know. You can see when it gives me that summary, you can see that it puts it into those categories I asked it for, key action items, decisions made, and actions I need to take. Remember, when prompting meetings and getting summaries from meetings, those meetings need to have a transcript or be recorded. We'll be able to kind of go ahead and leverage that transcript to get key information that is specific to what's important to you. If you would like us to teach your organization how to adopt Microsoft technologies, reach out to us at rewire-it.com, and we will be happy to explore your change management and technical training adoption. Have yourselves a beautiful day.